everyone. Right, bit late on this one. What is it, 17 I think, but anyway, got my new steering wheel and a boss. I had to modify the boss a little bit. That was a thing, but anyway, I got a lovely new steering wheel. That's a Strali. Oh, look at that, proper jobby, gorgeous wood. Anyway, yeah, I've got a boss and had to modify it just very slightly. I put that on so that it covers up the it's a bit smaller than on the steering column, so that just covers up all the stuff. Horn, bit of a problem because it's not a negative supply horn, whereas when you press the horn button, it's not supplying the negative rail, it's supplying a positive. So that's very awkward because the original had insulated rings. I can't put them on this, so I'm doing what I did in the Jeep. I made a new indicator arm with a little press button on the top, run a couple of wires down inside, and then once that's screwed on, I can then connect those to the horn. So that will certainly work nicely. So I'm not going to use the internal one that comes with it, like I say, because that's really designed for a negative supply. Anyway, what have I been up to? lots of small jobs that are taking up a lot of time. I'll just take it down and give you a look. I've made all the brakes, put all the brakes on. All the brake malark is on. The handbrake is on, which is a little bit of a strange affair. I found the water leak, which I've cured, and when I ran it the other day, I found another water leak. The water pump, which I thought was going to be okay, turned out not to be. It was leaking through the bottom, so I've ordered another one, which will be here soon. Modified the battery tray, got a monster battery for it. Like I say, brake lines are in. Braided hoses on the front and the normal one on the back. So braided hoses both sides on the front. All the front's finished. Door cards are all on. Door cards are all on. Lovely. Finished this door. Put all the handles back on. Oh, that's lovely. That's lovely. Window rubber. I'll have to sort something out for that sometime. I've had to modify it for now and put this thing on just so it closes a bit better. But anyway, door cards are all on. We've got some pipe, rubber piping all around the doors and for that. And yeah, I'm just organising the steering. So what else have I done? Oh, I made the bit up here for the carpet. Bit of hardboard and carpet and a hole for the heater to come out of. Oh. And that's it, I think. Oh, I painted all the... Did I show you I painted the stripes? I can't remember now. But yeah, I painted the stripes on the car. Can't remember whether I showed you that. Stripes are on all the way across. I like that. It's nice. Just breaks up that massive blue. And I've also painted all the little holders for the tarpaulin top. Done the tailgate one as well. Bumpers are on. Smoking. And the tailgate's got its rubbers in as well. So I managed to get one in there. Down here, and that closes lovely now. So that's all good. Perfect. Doesn't even rattle about, look. Perfect. Super job. So that's it. I'm probably going to put the back window in very soon, because that's it there. I'll clean the window. This one is the original that I cracked. I haven't spoken to the chap in Australia yet to find out whether he's sending me. I left him a message, asked him if it had gone on its voyage, but not heard anything. So, but there you go. Mirrors are on. Nice new mirrors. Nice mirrors. So that's it. That's just a little radio aerial that I'll use on my amateur radio rig. So there you go. There's all the old wheels and tyres. Most of the wheels and tyres are on. I haven't put this one on because what was I going to do? Oh, I've got to tighten some bits up on there, and I've got to put the thing in for the automatic gearbox so it doesn't start when it's in gear. So there you go. It's coming along pretty well. I don't know how long this windscreen's going to take, I really don't. So if it's on its way, I've got to get another mirror, because the rear view mirror, that's not right. It don't fit right, but it'll do for now until I get another one. So there you go, all the seat belts back in. Not a massive lot to do now then. So cheers for now. I think the next one, once I've got the water pump in and everything, I'll give you a video of the engine running. So that'll be the next little clip. So cheers for now, stay safe, and see you very soon.